Welcome back, everyone. Today's read aloud is The Nature Girls. Meet the Nature's Girls. Laura, Miffy, Annie, Rebecca, Jane, Vanessa, June, Melanie, Sarah, Kathleen, Lucy, Zoe, Kirsten, Tilly, Joy, Emily. We're nature girls. We must explore. We pack our bags. We're out the door. And off we go. There's much to see. We'll start our journey by the sea. A pod of dolphins swims nearby. The fish come too. We all say hi. It's time to go. We march along. We smile at birds and share their song. On we trek across the land. Up ahead we see some sand. A camel pads up to our side. He takes us for a bumpy ride. In tall grass we creep up slow. All around are buffalo. See ya, plains. It's been nice. Now we're off to find some ice. A tawny owl, she sees us too. She hoots a question. Who are you? The tundra has snow everywhere. Look how cute an Arctic hare. There's one more stop on our big trip. We've got our compass and our ship. The forest lush and filled with sound. Look at all this life we've found. It's hard to leave, but we must go. There's more to see and do and know. Meet the biomes. A biome is a community of plants and animals that covers a large area of the earth. The climate, how hot or cold it is, how much rain or snowfall there is, as measured over a long period of time, helps determine what kinds of plants and animals can live in that area. Aquatic biome. Saltwater or freshwater, there are so many plants and creatures that live below the surface. Water covers nearly 3/4 of the Earth's surface. There's a lot to explore. Desert biome. Deserts are dry. There isn't much rain, no more than 10 inches a year. In many deserts, days are very hot and nights are very cold. Grassland biome. Grasslands are covered with grasses. There aren't many trees. It does rain some, more than in a desert, but less than in a forest. Many animals are grazers, grass eaters. The Tundra Biome. The tundra is the coldest. No trees live here. There's a thick layer of frozen ground called permafrost. Not many animals live here year-round. The Forest Biome. Forests are full of trees and other woody plants. They get more rain than any other biomes. There are lots of different kinds of animals. The end. We hope you enjoyed today's read aloud of The Nature Girls. Until next time, see you real soon. Bye.